I'm Uncle Mark. Welcome to the channel. So you're having some issues with your factory remote start on your Dodge Caravan or maybe other of the Dodge products. I may have figured something out for you. Let's take a look. It's just going to take a couple minutes and hopefully this will lead you in the right direction. So here's the symptom. I'll lock it and then press it twice. Should start. So let's watch this. Usually you'd walk away letting it run, or you'd watch it through there. It's going to shut off by itself in about 10 seconds. Wow. So then you try again, make sure it's locked, and it won't do anything. You can watch the signal light will blink. Press it twice. No, nothing. So I was wondering what's going on. It worked last time I used it. Well, something's changed since about a month ago. I don't have a whole lot of miles in this thing, but I'll start it up with a key. I'll show you what's the problem. There's your problem right there. Check engine lights on. If your check engine light on, check and see if yours is. If it is, that's your problem. Well, actually, your problem is you have a problem. The computer has thrown on the check engine light. That clicking is just figuring out my serial number. This thing's pretty smart, this program I have. Your computer's throwing the check engine light on because you have a problem that it needs to be addressed. And because there is a problem, it doesn't want... It's a pretty fancy thing. So the computer is basically saying you have a problem that needs to be addressed first. We don't think it's safe to run your vehicle with the light on, especially if you're not there to attend to it. So it kind of makes sense. I'm going to get rid of the light, which I just did. Now look, it works. It'll run more than 10 seconds. It'll run the 10 minutes or whatever these things are programmed for. So I haven't fixed anything, right? I've just shown you that with your check engine light on, your command start's not going to work properly. Or at all. It's going to happen again once the computer notices the same fault, because this has been coming on for a while, and I haven't fixed it yet. That's another video coming up. So basically, if your check engine light's on, your remote's probably not going to want to work properly. So hopefully you have the same problem, or it's a check engine light problem. Probably if the light's on, this is going to be a little easier to solve than if they have to change, or you have to chase down some electrical problem because your actual remote start isn't working properly. Anyway, if you like the video, give me the thumbs up. You can subscribe down in the corner. I'll put a link up here in the description for other Dodge Caravan videos that we've done on this particular one and on a little newer one. Thanks for stopping by the channel. You can also check other, we'll put a link here up to more of my channel. Snoop around, see if there's other things you can learn, and I'm always interested in your comments. Put comments down at the bottom as to what you thought of the video and ways I can improve. Until next time, Uncle Mark saying bye-bye for now. Remember to be safe. Your safety is your responsibility and should be priority number one. Also, give me the thumbs up if you like the video. Plus, please subscribe and you'll get all the notifications. It's easy. The little dog will show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. Hi, I'm monk. It's a little bewildered, and then something, a little light came on saying, oh, like literally, well, you'll see. Yeah, it doesn't work. Uncle Mark. So hopefully this is your